25 Savage is riding the go-kart, and today we're with Great Queen. She's over there, and she's driving the dirt bike while recording a video for her channel. So yeah, today's gonna be a real hectic day. So there's Charles, there's Marls over there, who's being a cop. There's Great Queen TV right there. So I'm gonna have to take her camera and I'm gonna record her video while I record 25 Savage video. All right, hey guys, hey, welcome to the video / vlog. We've got everyone driving the stuff. It's a really good day. Hurricane about to come, maybe. So we're just having fun and driving the stuff. Oh, look at them riding the four-wheeler over there, thinking that they're that raw. Here's 25 Savage. Here he is.
25 Savage on the go-kart!
Can't drive for crap. There's Great Queen on the dirt bike. Yeah, I'm about to hop on the four-wheeler. This is Dominator behind the camera. There's Great Queen. I'm about to hop up on the four-wheeler right now, so see you guys in a minute.
Hey guys!
Let me get on the four-wheeler. Let me get on the four-wheeler. That's how like what the four-wheeler is. They're all back over there. Oh, here's Great Queen. What's up, Great Queen? What you need? Oh, Great Queen's gonna give you a little mini bike review today.
Show them what we did to the track right here.
Yeah, like look at the berm, you guys. Like look at this berm. Like we've been working on this since like one or yesterday. Yeah, we've been working on it since yesterday, and this berm took forever to do. Like, and for real, like the four-wheeler keeps on riding over it.
Dead, isn't it?
So that's the mini bike. Great Queen's on the mini bike right now. There goes Iniqui and Dominique.
Just tell them it's dead. It's done.
It's dead. We can't do nothing. See, look, it's dying. There's 25 Savage. There's Imanique and Dominique. There's Amari. There's 25 Savage.
All right, Great Queen behind the camera again. Here's the mini bike, y'all.
Here, Amani.
Let Dominic drive because he has